I'm your host, Sean MacKenzie. Thanks for joining me once again on my channel on data engineering and data analytics. In this episode, I'm your host, Sean MacKenzie. Hope you enjoyed today's discussion on how to use an import specification in use execute string in Snowflake. Interested in coaching or catching what's happened? In this episode, we're going back to our Microsoft I'm your host, Sean MacKenzie. Thank you for... In this episode, we go back to our Microsoft. Hope you enjoyed today's discussion on how to do access to... Give the video a thumbs up. Interested in coaching or just cool behind the scenes action and cool stuff? Well, and specifically how to use these two. In this episode, we're going back to our Python on Pandas, the Python connector for Snowflake, or Snowflake connector for. We're gonna go back to. All as a big unit on both sides of Microsoft Access discussion. So without further ado, let's get to. Hope you enjoyed today's discussion on Python on Azure SQL. If you like what you saw today, please leave. Have a great day, have a safe day, and I'll catch you next time. I'm your host, Sean MacKenzie, and thank you for joining me once again to talk about the wonderful world of data analytics and data transformation. Today, what I'd like to do is have a very short discussion about Microsoft Excel versus Microsoft Access and the role that these two amazing products play in data analytics. What are we talking about? Relationships. Not the kind that get many of us into trouble, but relationships between tables. And you've got to know what those relationships are in a relational database management system. The good old days of working on the railway. Well, I didn't work there that long, and my first job was pounding spikes, and I eventually ended up working in the passenger rail office, and that is the kind of data that we are going to look at today. Hope you enjoyed today's lighthearted turn and discussion at the end of 2022. Hope you enjoyed today's discussion. I hope you enjoyed watching my screw-ups as much as I did. I hope you all have a great new year, and I'll catch you next time.